So I'm here today to see Dr. Emer. I recently had a significant amount of weight loss. I lost about 110 pounds over the last 2 years. And so I definitely have some facial volume loss on my temples and my mid-face area. So I'm here to have that volume replaced and get snatched here in the jawline, and then Dr. Emer's gonna work his magic.
We're live. Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer. We're here at Skin Local, and we are doing Filler Friday, making this gorgeous patient of mine look even more beautiful. She lost a bunch of weight, and although you might not be able to see it, she lost some contour, she has some volume loss. So we want to address some of those areas that are going to give her that natural lift and that sculpted look. So we're going to focus on filling both the deep and superficial temples. And we're going to go all the way down to bone. We're going to use Radius. And this is gonna help do two things. Not only one's also volumized, but it's gonna help lift the brow. My goal is to give her a little bit of lift along with the volumization. So now we're gonna focus a little bit on her chin because she has a longer face and already high cheekbones. We need to bring this part forward a little bit. So we're being conservative. We don't wanna overdo the Volux because you really don't want her to look bulky, but we're doing a 3-point technique that gives a little bit more projection. So again, I'm also gonna do a very small, not a substantial amount of filler to her jaw. I don't want her to look overdone or bulky, but I do want it to be nice and structured and angled. So now we're gonna do a little lift in the mid-face because I wanna just give her that angle slightly, and just, she has naturally this sort of festoon, this malar mound, so we're not gonna do a lot of mid-face per se, just a deep structural angle. And then we're gonna come up and really just build the angles. What this is gonna allow me to do is just literally go in here and paintbrush. So that's what I call this, the paintbrush. So this is going to just fine tune directly in the tear trough and any like light discoloration and light hollowing that she may have. So we're gonna start just a little bit. Now she has the type of lip actually where you could potentially do little keyhole pout. You don't need a lot, very little. And then we're gonna come in on the angle and just give a little bit of angle. Nothing crazy. And again, we want the bottom to be just a little bit bigger than the top. All right, we're gonna create a little border. Perfect. So again, we're not gonna do like Russian lifting, just very fine threads. So, more definition in the chin and in the jaw and the cheek, just that little bit of tapering, that little bit of definition, and that bringing that forward a little, softening the lip, the under eye, and the temples.
Wow, it looks amazing.
This is a little swollen, so I always tell people with Volux it'll look a little kind of like a little bumpy for like a day or two. But other than that, and then it will settle in, but you can see the overall shaping. What did you want? What was your goal?
My goal is just overall to replace the volume I had lost and more cheek height. It's, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm loving my results. Treatment-wise, I can say that it was very comfortable. I felt very minimal pain to no pain at all, just a little pressure. But I am so excited with my results. I have no words. Dr. Emer is amazing. He did an amazing job. My temple volume is replaced. My lips are nice and juicy, and not so much volume, but definitely hydrated, which is what I wanted. That was the goal. So far I'm loving my results. I'm a little swollen today, but I'm just I'm amazed with how my volume has been replaced and how refreshed I look. I'm very, very happy.